It's the beginning of the end. Prime Minister Trudeau is stepping down. At dahil dito, posibleng mabago ang takbo ng immigration policies lalo na kung conservative government ang papalit. Ready ka na ba sa mga pagbabagong ito? Big news! This morning, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has announced his resignation as leader of the Liberal Party. After almost a decade, he's stepping down, leaving many of us wondering about the future of Canada, especially for immigrants and those who aspire to come here. Under Trudeau's government kasi, his administration welcomed immigrants with open arms, pushing for diversity and inclusivity. Nag-open up ang programs like family sponsorships, PNPs, and pathways for international students and temporary foreign workers. But real talk tayo. His government also faced challenges dahil sa dami ng newcomers. Rising housing costs, healthcare strains, and infrastructure issues led to adjustments, including lowering immigration targets last year to ease the pressure. Now, with the Conservatives under Pierre Poilievre gaining support, immigration policies might take a more restrictive turn. Historically kasi, the Conservative government under Stephen Harper was stricter, focusing on economic immigrants while cutting family reunification and refugee programs. Marami ang kinakabahan sa pagbabalik ng policies that prioritize temporary workers over permanent residents. Huwag nating kalimutan ang heartbreaking 4-year limit implemented during Harper's time. It forced thousands of temporary foreign workers, many of them mga kababayan natin, who had already reestablished their lives here only to have no choice but to go home. Imagine putting down roots, building a future, only to be sent back dahil sa policy change. Kung napansin ninyo, under Trudeau's government, when changes were made, most of those already in Canada were considered. Minimal yung effects ng changes and they were often given options to transition to permanent residency. Ano sa tingin mo, friend? Excited ka ba sa posibleng pagbabago sa gobyerno? O worried ka na baka masumigpit ang immigration policies? Share your thoughts sa comments below. I want to hear from you about this topic. Moving forward, we need to prepare for shifts that might focus more on temporary pathways rather than PR. There will still be opportunities, but they might look different. Kaya ngayon pa lang, it's important to stay informed and act quickly while current programs are still available. Don't wait until the rules change again. Start preparing your documents, qualifications, and plans now. That way, when new opportunities open, whether temporary man siya or permanent, you're ready to take the next step. Timing is everything, and being prepared can make all the difference in securing your future in Canada. Para naman sa mga nawawalan na ng pag-asa na makapunta or makapag-stay sa Canada, huwag kayong susuko. Maraming kababayan natin ang dumaan din sa mga pagsubok bago nila naabot ang pangarap nilang buhay dito sa Canada. Immigration policies may change, pero kung handa kayo at patuloy na magsisikap, may paraan para makamit ang tagumpay. Remember, perseverance is key. Keep pushing forward and don't let the setbacks stop you from chasing your dreams here in Canada. Dahil habang may buhay, may pag-asa.